What if I told you that death isn't as final as we think, that even after the body dies, some of its cells fight to survive, adapt, and even create new life? Scientists have discovered a third state, where life and death blur into something entirely new. And the implications? Mind-blowing. Let's dive in. Traditionally, we think of death as an absolute end. The heart stops, the brain shuts down, and the body begins to decay. But new research is shaking up everything we thought we knew. Cells, tiny building blocks of life, aren't always aware that death has arrived. Some, under the right conditions, keep going. They reorganize, adapt, and even take on new functions. Scientists call this the third state, a twilight zone between life and death. And it's not science fiction, it's happening inside Petri dishes right now. Take Xenobots, for example. These tiny living robots aren't artificial, they're made from real skin cells of dead frog embryos. But instead of decaying, these cells spontaneously reorganize into mobile, self-healing structures. Originally, these skin cells were meant to protect the frog's body. But in this new state, they take on an entirely different role. They move, they interact, and incredibly, they replicate. Scientists call this kinematic self-replication, a phenomenon that could revolutionize how we understand life itself. And it's not just frogs. In humans, lung cells have been observed forming Anthrobots, tiny multicellular organisms that can repair damaged nerve cells. This raises a thrilling possibility. Could we one day harness these living bots to heal injuries, grow organs, or even fight diseases? Some cells are so resilient they seem unaware that their host is gone. Fibroblasts, the cells responsible for healing wounds, continue to communicate and function long after death. Scientists have found that the way a person dies impacts their cells' post-mortem survival. If someone passes away slowly, like from an illness, certain survival genes are activated, allowing cells to continue functioning for days. In fact, white blood cells can survive for up to 86 hours after death, while muscle cells in mice have been revived 2 weeks after their host died. This discovery could change organ transplantation forever. Right now, organs must be transplanted within hours. But if we learn to extend cellular survival, we could drastically increase the window for life-saving transplants. Now, here's where things get eerie. If some brain cells can survive for hours without oxygen, could consciousness persist after death? Scientists have recorded unexpected brain activity up to 80 minutes after cardiac arrest. And what's even stranger, some patients who were clinically dead report vivid memories, so-called near-death experiences. They describe feelings of detachment, moving toward a light, and even reliving past memories. Are these simply chemical reactions or something more? While science hasn't reached a definitive answer, one thing is clear: our definition of death may need to be rewritten. The discovery of the third state challenges our understanding of life and death. Cells that defy mortality, living bots born from dead organisms, the possibility of consciousness beyond the grave. Science is only beginning to unlock these mysteries, and the future is full of possibilities. What do you think? Could these discoveries change the way we view life itself? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science. LG News, bringing you the discoveries that redefine our world.